wa njohi.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi na uria niwe munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kia UDA Rigathi wa Gachagua muthenya wa umuthi ni atongoririe mucemanio wa Kamitii ya utongoria wa kiama kiu wabici-ini nene cia kiama kiu guku Nairobi.
Today we had the National Steering Management Committee, which is a committee meant to represent the interests of the National Executive Committee, and the Deputy President chaired the session.
Mucemanio ucio ukurongoreirie guthurima mehaririria ma ithurano cia kiama kiu iria ciirigiriirwo gutabanio tariki kenda dethemba ya mwaka uyu ari hamwe na bajeti ya ithurano icio na nginyagia macini iria ikahuthika.
We use of our level of preparedness on the forthcoming general elections. We have discussed in depth the acquisition of the gadgets that we are going to use in the 27,450 polling stations. Again, we've also discussed in depth how we're going to prepare a training manual so that in the subsequent days we are going to train our TOTs. Third, we've also looked into a general budget of the elections, but that is work in progress.
Akiariria andiki a mohoro thutha wa mucemanio ucio mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu Malala ni atariirie ati macini cia kiriu ni cio ikahuthika hindi ya githurano kiu iria cigetikiria aikia a kura kwamukira maumirira ma ceceni cia uikia wa kura ndagika 5 kuma ceceni icio cia hingwo na haha akiranira ithurano cia uma na waragania kuri amemba na atongoria.
So far we've been able to do a good software that is going to run through the election of communication, not only communicating information in terms of news, but also relaying results all the way from the polling center to the secretariat. We have devised a mechanism whereby results will be known 5 minutes after close of polling centers. So it's going to be a transparent system that is verifiable.
Oho Malala nieraniire ati ni mehariririe gukang'ethanira na mathina mothe makeyumiria hindi ya ithurano icio ona kana thutha wa ithurano na makiria muigi kigina wa kiama kiu Japheth Nyakundi agiteaniria muhuhu wa gukorwo ho kwa ndugamano gatagati ka atongoria thiini wa kiama kiu.
So we are up to the task. We have all the mechanisms to ensure that we have an amicable way to sort of upcoming resolutions, and we are going to have so many conflicts ahead of the election and even after elections. We have a proper mechanism to ensure that we put our membership together.
For the issue of Wale and Malala, we have not received the petition towards our ABO SG, and those are just baseless arguments that I think Honorable Boni Halwale has. But once we receive them, we look at them, we will solve any issues that we have amicably.
Moroto munene wa gutabania ithurano cia kiama kiu guku bururi-ini ni gutigirira ati ni kiarumia miri yakio guku bururi-ini hamwe na kuhe anyiti itemi othe kanya ga gukuruhanio thiini wa matua ma kiama kuringana na ndumiriri citiganite cia atongoria ari hamwe na mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto na uria niwe mutongoria wa kiama kiu. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Njohi.